everything down, please. Put it on your car, man. Put it, man. I have to take my mom to the hospital, Like, put it in your car. You make
009, cause I'm asking you to step up. Yahin SEK routine stop ka psychological pressure shuru hoda high. Officer repeatedly KH raha high, put it on your car. Put your hand on top of the car. AAP notice carrying Kaizia X standard officer safety positioning high. Jab B detention hodi high, suspect Kuhof visible or vehicle SE door rakna Zarori hoda high. 034, put your hand on top of the car, no weapon on you. No needle, no knives. Yeah frisk pre-check high. Legal context Samajai, Agar officer KO reasonable suspicion Hoku individual armed ho sakta high, Wateri frisk conduct car sakta high, surf weapons kuliya. Yeah full search nahi hodi, surf pat down for safety. Yahan situation bilkul tense nahi lagrahi, lekin undercurrent strong high. Officer repeatedly speed up karna charaha high, kyan? Kyunki hesitation unpredictability create cardi high. Short summary, subject temporarily detained high. Officer safety protocol activate ho chuka high.
You taking longer than expected? Alright, I gotta pat you down. Put the phone on top of that. Put your hand on top of the car. Bro, I'm not telling you put your hand back. Max. No weapon on you? Alright. No needle, no knives. I'm trying to speed this shit up. Alright? Okay, that's fine. I don't mind. That's your car keys. Alright. Alright, turn around. Alright, do me a favor. No. Cross your leg forward. Huh? Like, put your leg forward and cross it. Sit down, bro. Sit down and cross your leg.
Alright, look, bring your feet out.
Okay, I'm trying
look, relax. Bring your feet out and cross them. That's it. Bring your feet out. Look. You're not listening.
Want me to help you? Like this. I want you to do it like this and cross it.
That's it.
And just wait, okay? Give me a second. Watch it.
Your keys.
Yeah.
118, put your leg forward and cross it. Sit down. Cross your leg. Abdeki control posture. Ground seated, crossed legs position at compliance control technique high. Is southeast sudden flight ya attack ka risk cam hoda high. Subject kata high, I'm shaking. Yahan emotional layer ad hodi high. Panic attack ya stress reaction ho sakti high. Lekin procedure emotion ko basis par pause nahi hoda. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer clear demonstration dita high, like this, and cross it. Yeah de-escalation technique be high, modeling behavior. Critical turning point yahan high, compliance partial high, lekin delay ho raha high. AAP kia sakti hain, agarwa instantly baith jada to kia tension cam hodi. Bilkul.
So there's no drugs in the car, no nothing, right? Alright, I'll do a quick search. Everything's good. You're gonna be good to go, alright?
How old are you? How old are you? Ah, okay.
How old are you?
22. Jonathan, right? Where do you work at? Where do you work at? Do you work or you just stay at home?
I work.
In Hialeah or in North Miami Beach? You know you can talk, right?
Can I stand up? Why?
Because we told you to sit.
Why are you being so rude to me? Who's
How are we being mean and we didn't even talk?
Why did you leave the phone?
We're conducting an investigation. The phone doesn't need to be open. Why does the phone need to be
2 o'clock, no drugs in the car, right? I'll do a quick search. Yahan legal nuance important high. Officer consent-based search key taraf jaraha high. Agar voluntary consent mil j, warrant key zerarat nahi hodi. How old are you? 22. Identity confirmation or background questioning. Ya rapport build karn ka bitarika hoda high. Lekin 301 partone shift hoda high. Why are you being so mean? Abdeki psychological clash. Officer ku perspective se, non-compliance. Subject ku perspective se, panic. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer clarify karta high. You would have been in the car the whole time if you just complied. Yahan lesson clear high, roadside encounter main initial compliance puri interaction ka direction set karta high. Short transition, emotional friction escalate ho raha high, lekin physical force ubi involved nahi.
open? She's not here. You're not even talking to her. Right now, when I hung it up, you weren't talking to her. And even if you were talking to her, I would have took the phone and I would have hung it up and I would have put it there anyways.
Can I ask why you guys want to?
What?
Can I ask what you guys want to know?
What?
Can I ask what you guys want to know? Like, you say I can talk and I know, like...
He tried talking to you before. You would have been in the car the whole time if you just complied with him at first. You didn't, which is why you ended up out here.
He asked if I had any weapons, I said no.
Okay?
I complied.
There was times before that where you didn't. You didn't even want to sit down. We had to help you sit down.
I was shaking. You saw how I was shaking, man.
And I tried talking to you, and you ignored me. He tried talking to you, you ignored him.
You know what happens when you're having a panic attack?
Yes, that's the point. You talk it through, and that's what I was trying to do with you. But you ignored the fuck out of us. So whatever.
I didn't ignore you, man.
You see how you don't talk, right? And then when you want something from me, you want me to talk to you, right? You see this, right? So now if you ask me something and I ignore you, don't say anything.
.510, suddenly radio traffic. In a vehicle heading northbound. Yahan Deki Kai is seen shift hoda high. Abek Naya incident active high, vehicle pursuit. High-speed vehicle description, tag information, direction of travel. Ya coordination backbone high. Har unit situational awareness maintain car raha high. 612, on the ground. On the ground. Situation of maximum escalate ho gai. Foot pursuit likely initiate ho chuki high. AAP kia expect car rahida. Suspect ruk jaega? Nahi. On foot call out confirm karta high, fleeing suspect. Yahan har second critical high. Running suspect unpredictable direction la sakta high, weapon ho sakta high, ya public risk create car sakta high.
Ready, in a vehicle heading northbound. From 19 and 174.
Personnel units, unit B349 and 356 is subject to leave northbound. In a 2022 Chevy pickup blue in color. Tag is Bravo Foxtrot 11. Any units is clear in 15. You saw that visual?
Yeah, so 1495. 319. Just crash into a vehicle.
Okay, so 17. Vehicles approaching Miami Gardens from 19th Avenue.
648, give me your hand. Give me your arm. Of physical apprehension phase. Officers suspect KO ground par pin car rahi hain. AAP notice carrying repetitive command pattern. Ya surf shouting nahi, ya legal safeguard high. Har command documented hodi high bodycam par. Agar suspect actively resist care, officers reasonable force apply car socked hain. Yahan limb control essential high, ek arm secure, for dusri. Yahan officer kafile ka asar turant dike de high. Agar grip slip hodi, suspect for SE sprint ya assault car socked the. Short summary, foot pursuit and hodi high ground takedown SE physical resistance face chow raha high.
356 is a white male fleeing blue top, gray bottoms.
Unit 315. Marvin R. 19th Avenue, right now, gray top, blue bottoms.
Get on the ground! 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 Get on the ground!
Put her up, bro. Put her up. Put her up.
359
3 by 60 units on 3.
Subject on foot. Fled in a vehicle. Last seen 19th Avenue at 183 straight. 356.
Miami Gardens says but we need more info where the subject actually lives.
356 around the gardens.
356.
Give me your other hand! Give me your fucking hand!
356.
Get it!
814, custody. Yeah golden word high. Threat neutralized. 817, you guys alright? AAP notice carrying Kai's immediately welfare check hoda high. Officers APME team key condition verify Cardi Hain. 832, send a unit, double check on anybody injured. Yahan professionalism clear high. Chase Karout Parkoi collateral damage to Nahi Hua. Public safety confirm Karna mandatory high. Legal context, pursuit could bad scene audit Sorori Hoda high, vehicle strikes, pedestrian injuries, property damage. Situation of de-escalation main enter Ho Rahi high.
Give me your hand! Give me your fucking hand!
Give me your arm.
Give me your hand!
359.
You got it, huh? Gotta get it. It's under.
Unit 22 Chevy blue and color pickup truck. Should be in the area of 19th Avenue.
Fuck, he's over the head.
Drive.
Give me your fucking hand!
¡Ayuda! ¡Esa policía! ¡Esa policía! ¡Ayuda! ¡El papi!
There you go.
356 subject in custody.
Subject in custody is 1656.
I got him. Get your rest. I got him. Get your rest. You guys all right? I'm good. All right. Send a unit over to the 17th to double check on the people. Anybody there? Let's see if we can send an additional unit over to the 297. Let's see if we can send an additional unit to the 17th just to double check on anybody injured.
Just what kind of vehicle and is it on the guard?
It's a white Honda Civic.
It should be on
And the
18th
remote.
Road before Miami Gardens. Southbound of Miami Gardens. It should be a white Honda.
Transport phase Shuru. 1004, get inside. Custodial control continue Hoda high jab tax suspect patrol vehicle main secured Naho J. AAP notice carrying tone for SE command based high, Lekin aggression cam. Objective simple high, safe transport. Are you guys good? Yeah. Yeah, teamwork validation high. Short reflection, ek routine roadside detention se shuru hua sequence ek multi-unit vehicle pursuit or foot arrest tak ponch gaya.
I guess I'm just oh my god.
Sir, unit
Y'all can help me next if you want.
that vehicle, southbound, just reported by 1812, White Honda Civic.
Can I get on my set?
Shut up.
Which one is that? Thank you, sir.
Bring my car over. Bring my car over. Park it over here.
I don't believe so. But let's bring somebody over. Or bring somebody to see if anybody's there already. We got like 3 officers here.
Okay, I need an additional unit to secure the subject vehicle. Should be just
Open it up in the back and make sure I don't even
That's gonna be that pickup truck blue and color.
Get up. Get inside.
Come on, come on.
Get inside.
Go that way, please.
Go that way or turn around.
Are you guys good?
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Okay, suspicion.